most people think that the Microsoft deal that has just happened in Kenya is for the engineers and big corporations. But here's the thing that they are missing. The company just committed $1 billion to build an AI data center here in Kenya. That is not just news. That is opportunity. And today I'm going to break down these 5 business ideas that this AI boom is creating right now. Ideas that ordinary Kenyans can start, some with as little as 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Number 5 on this list has been paying. You've probably seen the headline. Microsoft is investing $1 billion into an AI data center in Kenya. That is big, but what does it actually mean for you? It means that Kenya is officially on the map of AI hub Africa. And when big money moves into a country, it creates one thing: demand. Now, what does these people demand? There's a demand for a skill. There's a demand for services. A demand for people who understands technology even at a basic level. Okay? Now the mistake that most people make is they hear AI and they will think that it is only for engineers or people with university degrees, which is not true. Because some of the biggest earners in the AI economy right now never studied tech. They just learned one skill. So let us go through the 5 business opportunities this AI wave is creating for Kenyans right now. Okay. So number 1, we have AI data annotations. And this is probably the easiest entry point into the AI economy. And most Kenyans have no idea it exists. Okay. And I'll show you how it works. Now, AI systems like ChatGPT are trained by using real world data. Now, that data needs to be labeled, reviewed, and corrected by actual humans. Now, that person is the one we call data annotator. Okay? Now, companies like Remote Tasks, Appen, and Scale AI hire people from Kenya to do this work. Okay? Now, you only need a smartphone or a basic laptop and an internet access. And you can earn anywhere from 15,000 to 50,000 per month depending on how many hours you put in that work. All you need to do is to listen to the audio and type what you hear. Now, another thing is you can look at the images and you tag the objects. Okay? Or you can review AI generated text for errors. So here you don't require any degree, you don't require any experience, and you don't require any capital. It is just your time and consistency. Now, that is opportunity number 1. And number 2, we have AI skills training. AI skills training, selling AI skills to local businesses. Now, right now, thousands of Kenyan businesses, examples like salon, boutiques, schools, and restaurants, they have no idea that how to use AI tools. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Grammarly can save a business hours of work every single week. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of your clients. So learn how to use 3 or 4 basic skills. Or basic AI tools. Okay, then offer paid training sessions to small business owners. Now, you can charge them 2,000 to 5,000 per session. Run them through their WhatsApp call, at a cafe, or in a small rented space. Let's say you get five clients a month at 3,000 each, and that is 15,000 from training alone by the end of the month. One thing that most people don't know is that the demand of this kind of skill is there, but the awareness is low. Now, the third one that we have is AI content services for local businesses. Now, when you offer AI content series for local businesses, every business need content, either through Instagram posts or WhatsApp broadcast messages, or even menu description, and even promotional flyers. Now, Most small businesses owner in Kenya have no time to write this, and they don't have a full budget for their whole agency. Now, but with the AI tools, you can produce a full month of content for business in just a few hours. Now, start with 1 or 2 clients, charge them 5,000 to 15,000 per month, and now use ChatGPT to write the captions. You can also use Canva AI to design the graphics, and you either deliver them through WhatsApp or email. And what is your cost? The cost is nearly zero, but your profit must be real. And the simple truth is that you are not selling AI. You are only selling the results, and AI is just your tool. If this is making sense, hit that subscribe button, because I break down business and side hustles ideas in a way that actually works in Kenya. So let's keep going. Number 4, we have cybersecurity awareness consulting. As more Kenyan businesses go digital, and they are opening M-Pesa tills using Safaricom business accounts, and use platforms like Jumia and Gigi to sell online, they will always become targets for the fraud. Most of them do not know how to protect themselves. That is the worst part of it, because they have no skill in cybersecurity awareness consultations. They've never attended cybersecurity awareness workshops. They don't have any tech skill. Now, a basic fraud prevention workshop can save a business tens of thousands of shillings. The only thing you need to do, because you don't need to be a cyber expert, you need to take a short online certificate course from either Google or Coursera. But some of these courses are free. Okay? All you need is to offer 1 hour workshop training to circles, or you can target these small businesses, kibanda, or maybe schools. Each workshop, when you charge between 5,000 to 20,000, 1 workshop a week will range between 20,000 to 80 per month. You will be solving a very, very real growing problem. For 5, what we have is called AI affiliate marketing, and this will only pay you in US dollars. AI affiliate marketing is the one that pays in dollars. Hundreds of AI tools and software companies will pay you a commission every time someone signs up through your referral link. Tools like Canva Pro, Grammarly, SEMrush, and Hostinger, they have all free affiliate programs that you can join for free. Now, all you need to do is create a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, or even a WhatsApp broadcast messaging platform where you will share tips on using these tools. You only need to create a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, or even a workshop, not a workshop, but a WhatsApp broadcast where you can share all these tips, how to use these tools. Okay? When someone clicks through your link and signs up, you will get paid. The money comes in through Pioneer or Wise. These are payment receiving platforms, and now from there you can now convert it into your M-Pesa or your bank. This is kind of a real hustle that most Kenyans are already doing, but some people are still sleeping on it. Okay, so there you have it, the 5 business opportunities that AI boom is creating for Kenyans right now. And I said number 1 is AI data annotations. Number 2 I said is AI skills training. Number 3 I said is content service for local businesses. Number 4 I said is cybersecurity awareness workshops. And the 5th and the last is AI affiliate marketing programs. So every big income started as a small hustle someone refused to quit on. Now all you can do is pick one and start this week. If this helped you, please subscribe for clear breakdowns that make business simple and practical for Kenyans. Now, see you in the next video.